If you want to set up Face ID on iPhone 17e, all you have to do is, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we need to scroll down and look for Face ID and passcode. And once you go over here, you will need to enter the passcode for your iPhone. And then we should be able to find the Setup Face ID option. So just go over here, press Get Started, and you should be able to start setting it up. Just put your face within the frame over here and follow the instructions that you will see on the screen. Once you scan your face, you will find some additional options that you can go through, like for example, you can use Face ID with a mask, or you don't have to use Face ID with a mask if you don't want to. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and Face ID is now ready to be used, so we can tap on Done, and that is all you have to do. Of course, you can activate Face ID with a mask if you need in the future. Also, we have set up an alternative appearance option if you want to, for example, scan another face. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.